The killing of 6-year-old Eli Hart last year rocked a community, but the details of what happened made it all so much worse. The little boy was shot up to 9 times, then found in his mother's car trunk during a traffic stop near Lake Minnetonka. Friends, neighbors, classmates pouring out their grief in the days that followed. The boy's mom, Julissa Thaler, is now on trial for first-degree murder. Let's go to the courthouse tonight where we find Paul Bloom. And Paul, opening statements and Eli's dad on the stand. This had to be incredibly difficult for so many people there.
Karen, by definition, this case so emotional for so many. Of course, talking about the brutal and heinous murder of a young child. You mentioned dad on the witness stand today, talking about much happier times, swinging at the playground, going fishing together. Eli's dad recalling going to court to try to get full custody of his young son. The state calls this premeditated murder. The defense counters this mother did not do it.
The first witness to take the stand at trial, Eli Hart's father. Torrey Hart told the jury about the 6-year-old and the special daddy-son bond they shared. Torrey testified, quote, "Everyone loved him. Everybody knew who he was at his Mound Elementary School." He detailed a genetic health disorder that had left Eli with flat feet and in need of hearing aids, but was otherwise a normal, energetic little guy who loved fishing and wolfing down a giant plate of meatballs at his favorite pizza joint. Quote, "He was everything to me, completed my life. He just loved spending time with me. I loved spending time with him." Torrey Hart also acknowledged there was an open and ongoing court custody dispute with Eli's mother, Julissa Thaler, when Eli was killed. Torrey wanted full custody. During the prosecution's opening statement, Britta Rapp told the jury of 8 men and 7 women that Thaler killed the boy, shooting him 9 times in close proximity with a 12-gauge shotgun. His mutilated body was eventually discovered in the trunk of her car during a traffic stop near Lake Minnetonka last year. The gun right there next to him. Rapp said leading up to the murder, Thaler had researched life insurance policies for Eli, searched Google for, quote, "how much blood can a 6-year-old lose?" and also purchased ammunition that she wanted to, quote, "blow the biggest hole into something" as proof the slaying was premeditated. Thaler's defense countered that the 28-year-old would not, could not, and did not kill her son, urging the jury to keep an open mind, assume nothing, and withhold judgment until it's time to deliberate.
And testimony has wrapped up here for the day with witness testimony from law enforcement as well as crime scene investigators. The state did warn this jury during openings that they would have to sit through a lot of graphic and emotional testimony, including lots of photographs. We certainly saw that on Friday. Meantime, this trial is in recess through the weekend. Witness testimony will resume here Monday morning. Reporting from the Government Center, Paul Bloom, Fox 9.
All right, Paul.